Hidden door handles plus double-layer laminated glass is standard on many high-end EVs now, but once the car loses power, those handles can't open. At that point, your only way out is through the window. So we took a test. Regular single-pane glass is easy to break, but this laminated double glass, we have literally no way to shatter it with several window breakers. Despite cracks everywhere, it just won't break. I'm pressing forward, putting my weight into it. Still solid. It just won't break, no matter how many times I hit it. You can chip the surface, but the inner layer stays completely intact. So, does luxury mean giving up safety? Honestly, any brand using laminated glass should include a functional window breaker inside the car.